guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about Umemulo. Umemulo, it is a traditional Zulu coming of age ceremony for women. This ritual is usually done for females at the age of 21, but it can also be done at any stage of a woman's life. This ritual involves slaughtering a cow and ukusina, what we all call traditional Zulu dance. Umemulo ceremony signifies that she is now ready for marriage. They sing traditional songs and dance, and they pin money on a girl's head as a gift.